Hey y'all. Today we're going to be checking in on the worms. We just did the breeder buckets. We just filled them, the two breeder buckets that we have of European Nightcrawlers. We put them in big bin. So, I'm going to remove this, position the camera. So it's right there. Very good. Let's see. All right, we can already tell, the worms are right up there. Good. Well, not good. I was hoping they'd find some, they'd go down. The first few days, they weren't moving at all though. So I hope there's, colonies like deeper inside, but I don't think we're gonna be. I was thinking we would start maybe a new bin if we found like a nice big worm ball, but I think we're gonna have to like convince them to situate into a worm ball. Yeah, this is really good though. I'm very happy about this. You can see them all in there. Let's see. Look at this guy. Come over here. Yep. I don't know if that's in its gullet, if it's like that. Let's see if we can. All right. I don't know if that's like something in its gullet or something, or if that's like a coloration issue, but the underside, it's more visible, probably. Very healthy looking. I'm happy about that. I think I've said that a lot in the past few videos, but all right. Oh, there's a worm ball-ish. I realized they go after the easy stuff first. It's not like they genuinely like it. I'm pretty sure. I think it just decomposes faster, so there's more microbes for them to feast on. But I am not a microbiology specialist, so don't take my word for it. Oh, my goodness. What? Oh, okay. No. I thought that was just one worm, but another doing their thing. Wonder if that's like against YouTube. Like I can't have that on there. Guys, they're making a bracelet, okay? Any kids watching? They're making a bracelet. Anyway, just pulling this through so it's not like solidified at the bottom. That's all I'm really worried about. Not as many worms as I thought, actually. I think it's just an illusion with how many are at the top. Just like, whoa, there's so many right here, right now. And then when you actually look at it, it's not that insane. This stuff, muy bueno. Camera isn't picking it up as well as what I can see, but it's like night and day difference. But yeah, pretty cool. I think, let me see. You can still see some of the coco coir that I put in here a while ago. There, you can see the coco coir. But yeah. Sometimes it's hard to identify if stuff's like a plastic. That's definitely like, I was thinking that might be like a newspaper, but has like that printed on look. This one's pretty obvious because it's shiny, but yeah. I think I'm gonna put this back though. I'm gonna just like bring it. Oh, my camera is gonna be a little funky, as always. It's not one of my videos if there isn't like a framing issue. Anyway. Pumpkin seed. It's pretty cool. It's without any light, really. Minimal light. All right. Oh, pine needle. I forget. Oh, there. Pine needle. I'm gonna just keep this guy out of there, even though they can still break it down. It's just kind of annoying to get in the castings. And they're very high in pH. Well, actually, I can't remember. I'm pretty sure they're more acidic, I feel. Or they could be really basic. Basic meaning like lower down on the pH scale. Just hand the rest of this, and I'll probably like cut the video just about now to make sure I got like some sort of, I'll like get some food for these guys, and then that'll be like the bait. Just gonna make sure you guys know I left no worm behind. Alright, that looks good. And I'll put corn blanket back. Even though we're in spring, it's fine. Okay, that's good. Is that an ant? No, okay, good. I was about to get angry. Okay. All right. And okay, we got that, and that's just like, honestly, it's whatever is in like the big pile of stuff, and I have like a tote that I put a bunch of stuff I got from like super. No, what is it? It's that food place near Bowman's Pizza, but trying to remember the name. Feel bad now. Real Foods. I got like a lot of this stuff that you see in here from Real Foods. That's good. Flies. See some flies around here. I don't know if that's the greatest, but we'll see. Okay. I think we're done here. Looks like it. So now we'll just wait till the worms take the bait, and then we'll transfer that ball of worms into a bucket, and then we'll probably divide it into like 3 or hopefully 3, maybe 2 if we're unlucky. Got a fly. That's nice. But yeah. Also, just a side comment. I wonder if adding babies into I know adding babies into breeder bins kind of slows it down because they have to nurse the babies, but I wonder if it like results in better babies, like because you're diversifying it. I guess you're diversifying the age range instead of just having it one age, like, you know. So maybe it's like it balances it so they're like better outcomes maybe. I don't know. That's just a thought I had. Kind of a cope, because I know for a fact there's a bunch of babies in this, you know, this whole situation. But, you know, that's what I get for mixing and also like waiting for the breeder bins. I really hope that I can get some more videos out to you guys. Definitely plan to not do anything like the 120 days or whatever it was that I was gone. I plan like to like eliminate that as much as possible this summer. It's just winter is like stuff gets in my way. Lots. All right. Have a good day. See y'all.